Hey, Travel Quest Network, it's Bonnie Lee here, and I'm on the Norwegian JOY on an inaugural. And I was looking at these screens here that say, touch to learn more, because I can book my shore excursions, I can do whatever I want on here. So I said to myself, Bonnie Lee, what value is this? Because I would certainly do these things in my cabin, but then I had a great idea. Oh, hey! How are you?
Bonnie?
Hey! Hey, want to have dinner tonight?
Sure, that'd be great. Let's have dinner tonight.
Let's see what's available. This is it. Come on, let's see. Dining. Oh, well, everything's full, but we are on an inaugural.
Yeah.
But if it weren't full, we would say, hey, let's meet at 7. We would touch it. We would stick our little key card in here, and it would be done. So now you know the value of the touch tone. Oh, special.
And then you can see that they really.
Oh, that was me. I touched it with my finger. So I am going to tell you that we would have met, wouldn't we?
We would have met.
We would have met. Introduce yourself, you guys.
I'm Terry. I'm Sam.
And they're from Colorado.
Yes, we are.
Don't hold it against them. We know what that state is about now. So thanks for helping us all
Absolutely.
understand.
You bet.
Hey,
Absolutely.
see you guys later.
Bye.